Order just came in from Sky High Car Audio. Let's check this thing out, see what it's all about.
Sometimes I can't control who in the picture taking distance. So women act like men, men act like bitches. Shout out the homie me, shout out the homie chicken. Ever since they had my back, I've been living out my vision. Did it never want too much? I'm sorry you can see the flex. Flew off in the clouds like a jet. Till I'm dead, let me say them ain't wet. Other countries, they're gonna check checks. Chase what's all about now. That's why we don't flow. That's why we don't flow. It's all about now. I move on, you know. Even if I gotta catch it on the hot, I'll be on it damn right. Every day and every night. Not to glorify, I'm trying to look like the world going crazy. They not giving out no packs. Richie and in the cross. This shit never the same. When you gotta pay the cost, so nobody wanna get it. Everybody wanna floss. Your baby wanna kill, but that chick is slightly off. Oh, they make it competition. That's the reason why I'm off. Slicing up the sight, and my hair's dry slashes. Looking quaking at the lights. Oh yeah, my shit slide. Yeah, right. I be going, I be trying to turn it like Richie inside. I do my movie, yo. If you feel this getting sticky, bring that tap with my bros. With my bros, I be pushing with my bros. I be see it different. Been acting for some years, and ain't seen the limit. Seen some go, and I seen some slide.
We got a 4500 watt amplifier on the bench. Gonna need 4500 watt sub. Look at this thing. Weighing in at probably, I don't know. Hey, let me get the scale. AK? Yeah. Feel like Lennon pops a hand? How heavy does it feel? It feels about 125 to me.
I'd say more.
More? All right, throw it on there. $115. 115 pounds. So this woofer is basically a dual 2. We're gonna hook it up in parallel, 1 ohm. Okay, so I think I saw like 4,000 watts in there, 3,900 or something. That's on a speaker that's touching 2 ohms every time. These voice coils are hooked up in parallel, which means they're at 1 ohm. But while it's playing, it's always changing, it's moving. So, well, there's nothing you can do. It's right around 2 ohms when you're seeing that power. So let's hook up the IMSG, put some test tones on it, see if we can get that a little higher than 4,000. Then we'll put it on the amp dyno and see what happens. While it's moving, you can see the impedance is changing. So that's on a speaker, a little over 2 ohms. I mean, look at this. While the speaker's moving, we're right around 2 ohms. You can see it happening in real time. 2 ohm rating on this amp is 2950, so we're spot on. So maybe use a dual 0.7 or something like that if you want to achieve lower impedance and get more power. But let's put it on the amp dyno and give it flat out 1 ohm and see if we can hit that 4670 mark. I know one thing, this amp is brutalizing this speaker. Right, I like that, I like that. This amp is an absolute beast. I'm telling you right now. It pushed that Def Bonds 4500 like it was nothing. Even with the impedance rise. Put it at exactly 1 ohm. Watch it really shine. Rated for 4500, doing more than that. We'll get a quick idea what this thing sounds like. Of course, I can't let it play because of copyright. You get the idea. All right, so before I end this video, I just wanted to hook this amp up to these 18s. Definitely ridiculous. I'm only running off these highs right here. I'm not running my towers. That's just the subs. Not bad, those things are getting it. As always, I test these amps out over and over and over again, even off camera, just to make sure that it's a quality amp before I say anything. Because I'm not about to say anything great about an amp that something happens to, whether it's my fault or anybody's. I just want to make sure that it lives to tell the tale. And this one, lived to tell the tale. It sounds like it's going to be a good amp. From my experience, if you have an amplifier that can go over and over and over again on the amp dyno and barely break a sweat, that's a good amp. It's a rock solid amp, a tank, something that you can rely on. And reliability is a big thing right now. So you can't go wrong with this as far as I'm concerned. And with that, I am out of here. Thanks for watching.